There's a turning. I hope I don't crash the gate. Let's see. Ooh, man. Hey guys, welcome to Road Activities. This is your boy Ronnie here. Hope you're all doing fine. So today is the new review of the Montra Backbeat 29-inch cycle. So I thought we all ride motorcycles, and why don't we go ahead and ride this bicycle and see how is it. So this is the geared system, and I will now go ahead and show you what all is there on this cycle. So let's go. So hey guys, so this is the cycle which we were talking about, the Montra Backbeat 29-inch. It looks absolutely stunning on this. Wow, look at this. So basically the frame that we see here, that is the hardtail alloy frame, that is known as that. So this is the MTB, the mountain bike, which we call it as MTB. And well, this has few amazing stuffs. So I'm not much keen about cycles, but over here we can see that this has a disc in the back, and on the front it has a disc. You can see that the front shock absorber, the gearing system. This is the gearing system. Even that's the gearing system with the brakes. So basically this is the front brake, and this is going to be the back brake. Then what else come back? There's a reflector over there. The tires look awesome. The rims, wow, I love the design. So guys, that's the front gearing system. So that is 3 gears over there. And let's come to the rear side. So when we come to the rear side, we can see that there is a 7 gear system over here in the back. So this cycle weighs around 15.8 kgs. The gear, the brand of the gear is Shimano Tourney. That is 7-speed gear in the back and 3 in the front, as we showed. And the wheel size, that is of 29-inch that comes. Those looks very gorgeous actually. So the rims are double wall alloys. You can see that over there. Those look very beautiful. So the chain is of the brand of KMC Z7. I'm very sure those who are into bicycles, they'll have an idea of it. And let's go to the suspension over here. So basically these are the suspensions which we spoke. So this is currently in a locked system. If you want to use it, you can use it. If you don't want, you can just turn it. The suspension will work. So this is what it is. And I will now go ahead and just ride the cycle and see how it performs. I'll talk about every single thing on this, and let's do this first time on our channel. We are doing a cycle review, and actually I used to love these cycles a lot at my small age, and I'm very sure at everybody's small age we used to ride cycles a lot, and that's how we started riding motorcycles. Now the current generation, well, they go straight to the motorcycle world. That's how it is. So let's go ahead and ride this beautiful thing over here. Let's go. So here guys, so I'm going to ride this. So let's see how this is going to work out. I hope my camera angle is perfect. And well, I sat on it, and let's go. So this is the first review. Let me just adjust the camera. I hope this is fine. Man, this is absolutely smooth. I think I should get one for myself. Man, this is very smooth. I mean, you don't need to exert. This dog is trying to attack. No attack. So I was actually, in fact, looking on the side. There's no side mirrors for this. Wow. Man, this is something very good. Let's see how much bhp this has. This torque. It's all the torque depends on us, the way we pedal. Woohoo! Let's see the turning radius on this. Ooh, very good turning radius. Okay, so this is basically the back brake. This is the front brake. Oh. Let's do the brake test. This is a non-ABS version. So let's see. And hit the brake. Ooh, that's good. Not bad. That's a very good braking system. Man, I love this. I'm in love with this. And seriously, I need to do cycling a lot. And the brakes are very good. Before we go, let's release the suspension is locked, so we'll open it and now see the effect. Yeah. Oh, there's a child on the road. Well, this looks really good. Ooh. Man, I love to ride this all day long, to be honest. Man, that's fabulous. Wow, this is very good. I think let's start a vlogging with the cycle, right, guys? What do you say? Comment in the comment section. How many of you like me to take a cycle now? Wow, I love it, guys. I really love this thing. Man, it's a beauty. Absolute beauty. The cycles are the legends for sure. Man, I love the tires. Look at the designs. If you look close up, you can see the tires. Wow, I love this thing, guys. I think I should purchase a cycle. So the cost for the cycle here comes around 19,500 to 20,000. That's the range that comes. The cycle was bought from HSR. I'll leave the link in the description. You guys can go ahead and check it. And man, look at these guys, these sides. Look at this, man. Honestly, I've not seen a cycle with gears. I mean, I've seen from distance, but this is the first time I'm having a very close-up look at this. I think there's a screw which is here. I don't know what is that. So I'm not much technical on this. So this is the second round I'm trying. Let's see how to change the gear. Oops. Oh, what was that? Oh, lorry coming. Should put back the gear. I don't know how. It's gone wrong, guys. I have to put back the gear. Oh, it's this one. I've done something wrong, guys. There's a sound coming. Now it's correct. Yeah. So basically, this is like gear 1. This is for gear up, and this is for gear down. This one, gear up, gear down. Same here, gear up, gear down. This is not my cycle, this is my friend's cycle, so I don't want to crash it, but I want to see what's the top speed on this. me down gear again. This is much better now. Let's go ahead and turn here. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Hoo, 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 hoo. Come on, do it. There's a turning. I hope I don't crash the gate. Let's see. Ooh, man. Let's see. Woohoo! Oops, cool. Man, should I leave my hands? No? Oh, okay. Okay. Bumpy roads. Oops. That's all, guys. That's for it. So, thanks for watching the video. As I say, ride safe, take care, God bless you.